Neelam, a small village located in Goiliang circle of Anjor district, Arunachal Pradesh, India. There are only 12 households in the village and around 40 people living in the village mostly depend on farming as their livelihood. It takes minimum of 2 hours of journey if you need to purchase even your daily needs. Fortunately, the village gifted with a school for the education of their children. Under these extremely conditions, electricity is merely a dream for them. However, thanks to APEDA, Arunachal Pradesh Energy Development Agency, for their keen eyes on the village to electrify. But the question is how? If they go for conventional sources, it's going to be tough task and of course a costly affair too. Then they thought of setting up an independent power producer by using renewable source of energy. When it comes to renewable source, then solar is the best suitable and efficient solution to that village. Then two is solar, a company located in Bhubaneswar, Odisha, India, having wider experience in the field of renewable energy was chosen to complete the task of electrifying the village. Challenge not over yet. Yes, transportation is a bigger issue. Reaching near Goiling Circle is a tough task. And from there to Neelam crossing the river and then to a stiff rise mountain. But thanks to the pilot who has done the scary ride. Finally, materials reached to the destination. Then the expert team of 2S Solar completed the project in a span of just 3 days' time and fulfilled the dream of getting electricity at Neelam village. People are so happy to see lights in the houses and sharing the feedback and the benefits of getting out of it. Finally, thanks to APEDA and 2S Solar Private Limited for their endless support and dedication to complete the project in given time and to bring smile in the faces of Neelam villagers.
From idea till execution, it's been a very tough journey. Especially the transportation of material up to the project site. It was very tough. Crossing that river, it's just next to impossible. Thanks to the pilot who has done this. Apart from that, other things are managed in a quite better way. And especially thanks to our technical support team who has made this possible. After completing the project, we realized, we meant for that. We just justified our tagline, connecting unreachable.